morning, you guys. I just woke up few minutes back, and I don't know why, but I am getting that urge of vlogging today. So I thought, why not pick up my camera and start vlogging. So that is what I'm doing. So before I start off with my day, I will have to make a to-do list. I usually try to do it at night, but yesterday it didn't happen, so I will have to do it right now. So let's do that, and then maybe I will have a clear idea as in what need to be done next. So yeah, so without blabbering any further, let me just make my to-do list for the day.
I'm just waiting for the fire, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go.
Alright, so I'm done with my to-do list. I'll show you guys how it is looking like. Okay.
But I hate that.
Now before I start off with any of this work, I'll first have to go down. My mom has given me some work to do. So I'll first complete that, and then I think I'll start with my day, with my works. So, yep. Who is here? My boy, Poopy Show. Hey, this is how my boy looks like. He's the bestest boy I've ever had. Yeah. Poopy Baba. Yes. Poo poo. Pui 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 pui.
I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. Won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I'm just waiting for.
Currently I'm listening to some Shongit Banglas. Yeah. I love listening to songs in Shongit Banglas.
Who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love,
Alright, guys, I'm back in my room. I had my morning tea and a biscuit with that. So, yeah, now I think I will do stretches for around few minutes and then maybe I'll see what to do next. So, yeah, let's do the stretches now. This is the one that I found out. It's the 3-minute morning yoga stretches. So, I think I will do this one and then I'll check in with you guys once again.
If I should stay or be alone, I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Alright, guys, I finished off with my morning stretches. Okay, I'll just tick that off from my to-do list. Now, you know what? I am somebody who needs to write literally every piece of thing that she needs to do in a day. If I don't write something in my to-do list, I'm never going to end up doing that. So, yeah, my stretches for the day is done. Now I think I'll do my morning prayer. So, yeah, so let's do my morning prayer and then I'll see you guys in a while.
If I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make. And I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I'm just waiting for the fire, but you won't even try to survive you.
Alright, guys, so I have came across to this prayer very recently. It is known as the Serenity Prayer. So if any of you are feeling low or something like that right now, I want to read out this prayer for you. I think you will definitely find out a reason why you should be happy, why you should be content, and why you should be positive and strong. So I'll just read out the prayer for you. It says, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. So it basically means we are praying this to God that whatever we cannot change, let us accept that okay, fine, this is something that I cannot change. Whatever we can change, we should bring up that courage within us and we should make that change happen around us or within us or whatever it is. And always we should know that we should always follow the path of wisdom. That is, I think, the best thing that anybody can do in any hard times. Now, guys, I know that it's a really, really hard time right now. We're all getting caught up in our thoughts, like, what is going to happen, how is the future going to look like. We are right now, in my place, we are having partial lockdown, so whatever it is, we are still stuck up at home only. So mentally it is quite disturbing. I know I also sometimes feel very anxious, as in, what will happen, what I'm going to do, how things is going to work out in the near future. But one thing we will have to, you know, understand that we will have to find out the positive side of everything. Okay, I know it's not possible, but we will have to. Unless and until we take out the positive side of everything, it will become really, really difficult for us to survive. So, stay positive, stay strong, stay at home for some time now so that everything uh, can come under control, and when it's done, then definitely we will also be going out once again. So yeah, in during this time, guys, one thing I'll tell you that I can totally understand that you are getting frustrated because of various things that is going on around you and also within you. But one thing I'll say that, guys, be kind to others. Yeah, what you are facing, the other person is also facing that same thing. So unnecessarily showing your anger on somebody, throwing bad words to somebody, it's really, it's not good. Yeah, it's not at all good. Yeah, your bad behavior is actually putting an impact on the other person's mental health. It's just get adding it up. Already the person is in that state, and if you are also misbehaving, you're also throwing your anger on that person, it's just getting added up. So don't do that, guys. Yeah, like, just be kind. Yeah, just be kind. Think that what you are going through, the other person is also going through the same thing. So you are getting frustrated, the other person is also getting frustrated. So why rising their frustration level up a little bit more? Don't do that. Yeah, that is one thing I wanted to address in this, because I've seen many people, they are anxious. I can totally understand from where they're coming, but that doesn't mean that you are going to behave bad with others, right? You should not do that, right? So that is one thing I thought of addressing in this. Anyways, so if you guys want to check out this prayer, it's known as the serenity prayer. Just go to Google and just type serenity prayer, you're going to get this. Just read it every morning after you wake up. It will really help you in overcoming what is happening around you and within you. So this is a really good one, so I thought, why not share it with you guys as well. So, okay, I'll just complete my other work and I'll see you in a while. Alright, guys, it's around 11 a.m. right now, so I think I'm going to end the vlog right here. So it basically showed my morning, how it looks like. I tend to do my morning pretty slow because सुबह सुबह अगर रश करना स्टार्ट कर दे तो हो जाता है, you get drained out. So I like to take my morning a little bit slow, and then during the daytime I just pick up that rush. So yeah, that is it for this blog. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, try to stay at home, and I love you all. Bye bye.
If I should stay or be alone,